My dear students, myself Dr. S.K. Shirvastava. I am a professor of physics and I have observed that the students are facing problem in selecting a proper engineering branch at the time of the counseling. After qualifying the state level or the Indian level engineering examinations, at this time the many students might be wondering which engineering branch to select and how to choose the branch in the engineering and which is the best branch according to my caliber. Normally what it happens, dear students, you select your branch according to your choice of your parents, family, relatives, neighbors, society, and especially according to your close friends choice. But in all, where is your choice? I'm sorry to say that there is no option of your personal choice. So the dear students, in this video I will tell you about how to select the branch according to your subject of the knowledge, which is very important in your 4 years of the BTech career growth. So my dear students, watch this video till end. I am going to back in your 12th class of your knowledge. If you have a considerable knowledge of maths with physics, and especially in the physics, mechanical and thermodynamics is your liking choice chapter. So you have to choose your civil, mechanical, aeronautical engineering and automobile engineering. If you have a considerable knowledge of maths with physics, and especially if you have a knowledge or you have an interest in the semiconductor chapter which is in a physics, then you have to choose your electronics engineering. Now if you have a knowledge of the maths is a very important subject for the engineering purpose, so you must have a knowledge of the math with physics. Or in the physics there are the one chapter that is your electricity and the magnetism. If you have a choice of knowledge in a little bit knowledge about your electricity and magnetism chapter, right, so you must have to choose your electrical engineering branch. Now if you have a considerable knowledge of maths along with computer science as a subject in a 12th, and you have an interest in a coding, so you have to choose your computer science branch and the information technology. One another branch, that is your ECZ, electronics and computer science branch. If you have a knowledge of the maths along with the computer science as a subject and some subject of the physics, like some portion of the physics that is a semiconductor chapter, again I am saying that if you have a little bit interest in the physics in this chapter, then you have to select your ECZ branch. Now if you have a considerable knowledge of your chemistry, suppose you have a knowledge of the chemistry, right, and little bit knowledge about your math, then you have to choose your chemical engineering, mining engineering, petroleum engineering and the industrial engineering. Now if you have, again I am saying, if you have a knowledge of your chemistry and little bit knowledge about your math with biology, then you have to choose your biotechnology and biotech and bioinformatics. So these are the branch that you have to choose. At last, if you have no interest in a physics, chemistry or math along with your computer science, then there is no need of choose a career in the engineering side. So my dear student, this is a brief knowledge about your selection of your branches, how you will select the branch according to your subject of the knowledge of your 12th standard. Okay, God bless you. According to these subject you can select your branches. Thank you.